I want to show you one example of an investment property we bought just 4 years ago in 2017. We paid $1.5 million for it, invested $500,000 of equity. We took $1 million loan, non-recourse. 2 years later, in 2019, we refinanced all our money, tax-free, $600,000. That means we got $500 initial investment plus $100,000. We have no money in the deal. This year, 2021, we just sold that property for $2.5 million, adding an additional $600,000 of profit in our pocket. And along the way, we cash flowed every year for 4 years, cash on cash, over 10%. Now that's what I call a great real estate investment. Like for part 2, and I'll share how you too can make great investments.
So with stock, if you have $100,000 to invest, you got to trade your $100,000 in, you got to get $100,000 with the stock, value to value. Over here in real estate, if you got $100,000, you can leverage it. You can buy a $500,000 house, which is 20%. Appreciation, let's say it goes up 7%, both of these. 7% of 100,000 is 7,000. 7% of 500,000, which is the value, that's $35,000 a year. Now imagine doing that every single year. And in real estate, I get to have write-off, which is the biggest thing, and I get positive cash flow. That's why I invest in real estate than stock.
There's some people here swearing by stocks and there's some people here swearing by real estate. So which one of them is right? In terms of liquidity, we're going to give an edge to stocks, meaning you can easily buy and sell them on the market. As an investor, you always have to value this. Because there's no open market like this for real estate, it's less volatile. That means the prices aren't going to go up and down like this. But remember, just like stocks, real estate doesn't always go up. In most cases, real estate has a tax advantage because you can depreciate your capital. But with stocks, you can't depreciate your initial investment. But to be fair, with stocks, it's much easier to add to your tax advantage retirement accounts. Stocks have a lower barrier to entry and lower transaction costs. You don't need a lot of money to start, and you can even trade with $0 commissions. Whereas with real estate, you have taxes and fees on closing, which can be quite a bit. A big advantage to real estate is the ability to leverage, meaning you can borrow a lot more money for your real estate investment than you could using a margin trading account for your stocks. But remember, the more debt you take on, the more risk you're taking. If you're just starting off with minimal capital, I do recommend you start off with stocks and get your real estate exposure through that. But ultimately, to be a successful investor, you need exposure to both. I'll give you my story, my allocation on both of these asset classes in future videos, so make sure you like and follow.
A stock market crash is one of the biggest opportunities that an investor can get, and one of the biggest advantages that stocks have over real estate. Imagine what it would take to get a 20%, 30%, or 50% discount on a real estate investment, when in the stock market, all you need to do is wait. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like the video, follow me, and click on the link in my bio and get my free guide, 5 ways to reach financial freedom faster. Take care.
Here's the difference between investing in the stock market versus real estate. Here is how it feels to invest in the stock market. 1 hour you can be feeling good and then you're down. And then you're up and then you're down. I mean, this could be every minute or every second. Just like that. It's like you're laying at the hospital bed. They monitor your heartbeats and you don't know when the game will be over. Come on, man. Shit. Now here's real estate. With real estate, you start here and then it'll just slowly go up like that. This, you can have a peace of mind and actually go to sleep with. This, you don't know. Okay? So get rid of the get rich quick and focus on the get rich for sure. Come on, man. Shit. Get your mindset straight, get your money right, and let's go get this money.
Man, I wish I knew where to invest. I'll go first. It's very simple to start with stocks and you can make a lot of money. Don't listen to him. Unlike him, you can own me, control me, pause on that, and I'm physically tangible. I'm not just a share on a piece of paper. Okay, but imagine how much time it takes to find a property, take out a loan, buy the property, fix it up, and find tenants. You can buy and sell me all in the same day and you won't have to wait months for your money. Yeah, well, at least he won't have to worry about seeing his money go up and down like a roller coaster. Everyone needs a place to live, which would be consistent income. And let's not forget all the tax breaks. Oh, and also, don't forget to follow me.
5 reasons why the US stock market index is the best investment. Number 1, no leverage needed. Leverage got a ton of real estate investors in trouble during the 90s in the Toronto housing crisis, the US credit crisis, and the US foreclosure crisis. Number 2, multiple ways to make money. Dividends, appreciation, and if you're experienced, writing covered calls. Number 3, you don't have to be present to make money. You can be anywhere in the world and the companies on the index are working on your behalf. No calls about evictions or maintenance. Number 4, everyone needs your goods and services. The entire world buys from the top 500 US companies. Number 5, unlike real estate, the stock market gives regular discounts. Since Black Monday of 1987, the dot-com crash, the credit crisis, and the virus crisis. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like the video, follow me, and click on the link in my bio to get my free guide, 5 ways to reach financial freedom faster.